Navigating with shortcuts within Microsoft Excel is crucial if you want to save time and work efficiently. There are three main shortcuts that are excellent. It will be very helpful for you to know so that you can save a lot of time navigating data within a worksheet like a pro. First, if you want to move around from one end of a table or worksheet to the other end, you can hold the Control key and press the arrows on your keyboard. Let's try this on the January 2020 tab. If we click on the first cell, A1, and want to navigate to the bottom of the table, we can hold the Control key and press the down arrow. Then, if we want to navigate to the right side, we can hold Control and press the right arrow. Next, if we want to navigate up, we use the Control and up arrow. Finally, if we want to navigate back to the first cell, which is on the top left corner, we can use the Control plus left arrow. Another useful navigation shortcut is highlighting data within an Excel sheet. This can be achieved in two ways. The first way is if you want to highlight only part of the data within the sheet one cell at a time. This can be achieved by holding the Shift key and then using the navigation arrows on your keyboard to highlight certain data. Let's click the cell A1 and then press and hold Shift. If we then navigate down using our keyboard, we can highlight the cells as we navigate. If we navigate to the right, then we will highlight the columns to the right as well. If you want to highlight the entire data within a row or column, there's a shortcut for that too. This can be achieved by holding Control and Shift and then using the navigation arrows on your keyboard. For example, let's click on cell F10 and assume that we want to highlight everything below it and then also everything to the right of it. We can click on cell F10 and then press and hold the keys Control plus Shift and then click the down arrow to highlight everything below it. If we then also click to the right using the right keystroke on the keyboard, it'll highlight the column to the right of it as well. If you let go of the keys, the area that we highlighted will still remain highlighted. But now how do we get back to the top of the selection without having to manually scroll up? There's a shortcut for that too. If we were to click on any cell in the workbook, it would remove the highlight, but we don't want to do that. Therefore, the best way to navigate back to the top without removing the selection is by using the Control plus backspace shortcut. This will bring you back to the active cell that is part of the selection. Note that in our example, the active cell that we started with was cell F10, and therefore the Control plus backspace shortcut will bring us back to cell F10. What if we want to highlight all of the data within the table? The shortcut to do that is simple. It's Control plus A. Just remember A for all. Furthermore, if we want to highlight the whole worksheet, just hit Control plus A once more. In other words, Control plus A once will highlight the entire data set, but if you want to highlight the entire workbook, then you have to use Control plus A twice. So Control A and then Control A again. To highlight a row within a worksheet, the shortcut is Shift plus spacebar. Let's do that on row 19. Alternatively, if you want to highlight a column in a worksheet, the shortcut is Control plus spacebar. Let's do that for column F. Finally, let's say that you want to navigate to the end of the worksheet, wherever that is. The shortcut to do that is Control plus End. Similarly, if you want to navigate back to the top of the workbook and the start of the worksheet, the shortcut to use for that is Control plus Home. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.